Can modern monetary theory cause inflation? Have you ever wondered if the way a government manages its money can lead to rising prices? Today, we will look at modern monetary theory and its relationship with inflation. Modern monetary theory, often referred to as MMT, is an economic framework that suggests a government that issues its own currency can finance public spending by creating money. This idea challenges traditional views on government debt and deficits. According to MMT, a government cannot run out of money like a household can. It can always create more currency. However, there is a limit to this approach. If government spending exceeds what the economy can produce, it can lead to inflation. Inflation happens when too much money is chasing too few goods and services, causing prices to rise. Supporters of MMT argue that inflation can be managed using fiscal tools. For example, increasing taxes or reducing private sector spending can help withdraw excess money from circulation. This balance between demand and supply is essential to keep inflation in check. From a socialist viewpoint, MMT is seen as a way for the government to invest heavily in public goods and social programs. This aligns with socialist goals of expanding public ownership and addressing social needs. However, some critics, especially from a Marxist perspective, warn that simply creating money without increasing real productive capacity can lead to inflation and instability. They argue that public control over key sectors of the economy is necessary to prevent inflation from undermining social welfare goals. In practical terms, MMT suggests that governments can finance large-scale social programs like universal health care, education, and green energy initiatives by creating money. Yet, managing inflation through taxation and regulation is crucial. This approach supports socialist aims of redistributing wealth and expanding public services. To sum it up, modern monetary theory can indeed cause inflation if government spending outpaces the economy's ability to produce goods and services. However, MMT also provides mechanisms to control inflation, primarily through taxation. From a socialist perspective, MMT offers a framework to fund social programs and public investment, but it requires careful coordination to ensure that money creation leads to real value without inflating prices.